What's good, everybody? It's Michael Alder here from the landflippingformula.com, and in this video I want to share with you how to sell more properties this year. Now, if you're a newbie or if you're just getting into the game or you're looking to expand your land investing business, take some notes and then take action. So we all know the formula. We're buying underpriced properties, we're turning around listing them on seller financing terms or marking them up a couple bucks for a wholesale flip, and we're listing them on Craigslist, eBay, the land sites, and some of our social platforms. This is all great, the formula works, but when you plateau, you need to look for new ways to bring in new leads to sell more. And let's be real, buyers are everywhere. We just have to get in front of them. So I'm going to share with you 3 different ways to go ahead and expand your already existing marketing. You're going to have to do a little bit of paid behind this. And before we get into that, I do want to cover this. If you're serious about the land business, the real estate business, or any business, you have to be willing to put marketing dollars into play. And yes, you're going to do some marketing that's going to be a bust. But let's be real. Do you want financial freedom, or do you just want to settle in life and say it just doesn't work? It works. You have to test things, and you have to put your hard-earned dollars up in small amounts to find out what's going to work well to really make things explode for you. So let's dive right into this here. The first one, if you're in the land investing business and you want to expand, reach out to podcast hosts. Here's what you're going to do. So think about it. If you're a land investor, you're looking for more buyers. Who buys land? Well, you want to look for podcasts that cover preppers, people that like outdoor type stuff. You could target that audience, as well as people that cover alternative investments. So these would be podcast shows that maybe are into the cryptocurrency market, real estate investing, stock investing, that bring in different people to debate whatever their investment standpoint is, and then they could give a shout out to you and your land investing model. So people are tuning into those investing shows to learn about whatever the main subject line is, but of course they want to learn about other places to put their dollars, and that's where you come in. You offer them safe, solid investments in the land model, and you can sell to them. And then obviously outdoor enthusiasts and preppers want to buy land as well. So reach out to podcast hosts, ask them how much it is for a sponsorship placement, and then ask them for an analytics page, and this will tell you how many downloads they get every single month, and from that you could justify if they're getting 10,000 people a month, is it worth X number of dollars to have your message put in front of those 10,000 people every single month. So podcast is the first one, and absolutely you need to spread the word and get bigger. The next one is influencers. Anybody that has a following, you should be willing to throw them a couple dollars to get your message in front of them. Now, make sure their following is your ideal client. But once again, we're going to go to YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, and we're going to find people who are covering, the prepper market, the adventurer market, people that go off the grid, people that like ATVs and camping and hunting and all these things. Anybody we could sell our land to, find the influencers in that space, and then see how much they charge for a sponsorship, a shout out, post, a video, commercial, whatever. And then once again, that's actually easier because you could just look at their profile. They may have 15,000 followers, but if they only get 20 likes per post, they can't charge a whole lot for a shout out there because their engagement sucks. You want people that have good engagement, that if they shout you out for the right price, they're going to go ahead and make some returns for you. So influencer marketing for sure. And within that, look at the investors and the diverse investment strategies as well. So not only outdoor enthusiasts, but people that talk about alternative investments on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. You want to connect with them as well. And then finally, the classic, simple squeeze page testing, paid traffic, and email marketing. That might sound like a lot. It's not, though. So you open up something on Lead Pages, just a simple squeeze page that says, enter your name and email address to access our hundreds of wholesale seller finance deals. Properties start as low as $25 per month, and every month we send a random subscriber a pair of binoculars or something along those lines. You build out a real simple squeeze page on Lead Pages, and then you do pay-per-click ads. So what you do is you list it on Bing, Google, YouTube, whatever, and you send traffic to the squeeze page. Once people opt into the squeeze page, you want to email them every single day. Now, Frank Kern said it best. You may be scared to email your list every day. They are not paying anywhere near as much attention to you as you think they are. And you will get unsubscribes. That's okay. You're paying to put your message in front of people. And if they don't want your message, that's fine. Unsubscribe and let me bring new people in that want my message. And it may take anywhere from 3 to 6 months to get a subscriber to a conversion. but you have to warm people up. They have to be comfortable with you. So these are my tips of the day. Not only does the basic model work, but you have to be ready to expand and you have to be willing to pay to get your message in front of people. So reach out to podcasts, reach out to influencers on the social platforms, and build squeeze pages and send pay-per-click ads directly to your squeeze page so you can get the conversions and you can warm them up with follow-up emails and hopefully get conversions out of those clients within 3 to 6 months. If you have any questions about this, go ahead and comment below, and as always, drop by the landflippingformula.com. You can see how I run my business every single day. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll connect with you on the next